Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we're gonna going to look at how you can make money online staking USDT on either Bybit or any other exchanges of your choice. So before we dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. As a kind of idea we have also been sharing before, I have a lot of videos who share new ideas about this. Okay, the two ways you can get this is you should either go to your Bybit N, okay, or you navigate yourself to your notification center, which is here, which is here. You will definitely be notified, and it will be here. So what we'll be looking at it is Cook. We'll be looking at how we can gain thousands of Cook for ourselves. Since we were purely told that Cooks await us, okay. So you're going to click on this place. And if yours is not here, you're going to go to your Bybit N and search for Cook. Okay, it says new listing Cook. Grab a share of 20 million Cooks price pool. Okay, Cook price pool. Yes. Bybit is excited to announce the upcoming listed of Cook. On this occasion, this is a new coin. You're going to make a lot of money trading this new coin. And also staking this new coin will give you a lot of profit. Okay. Cook deposit will begin on the 29th of this October. Cook listing will be made on the 29th, and the Cook withdrawal will be available October 30th. So deposit and withdrawal will be available via Ethereum and also Mantle network. Cook will be available for trades via spot grid bots when listed. So to celebrate, we have prepared a special event with a total prize pool of 20 million Cook just for you, just for all of us. Okay, Cook token splash. Cook token splash is a 20 million Cook is up for grab. So pack, what do you need to do? Pack one. New users exclusive. Deposit to earn from a 14 million Cook price pool. This is under new one still. A new user will also earn from this 14 million price Cook. Event period still the 29. Okay, 29 to November 12th. This will still be happening. All you just need to do is to come to this place to click on register. If you click on register, then you sign up. You have already signed up for the event. They say during this period, sign up on Bybit and complete identity verification level 1. This is for new users. That one is for new users. Accumulate a deposit volume of at least 2,000 Cook or deposit 100 USDT and trade 100 USDT worth of Cook via your first trade using your Bybit account. The first 35,000 people will be given this. Part 2 says event period 29 still to November 12th. So all you just need to do is to quickly dive into this now. Click on register to register, trade to trade, perform the activities all over here. And one of the most fascinating thing about this is that you can also invite somebody. So the moment somebody is invited to do this, you will also be rewarded. Okay, so dive into this quickly before time goes by. All right, this is one of the amazing way you can earn money on Bybit without stress. All you just need to do is to invest something little, and that you gain something much for yourself. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget, I say you can get this in Bybit announcement. Okay, or you can go to your Bybit N to check for it. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.